Good morning students, welcome to the science class. In today's class, we will do volcano experiment with the help of baking soda and vinegar. Let's start the class. So students, for volcano experiment, we all need to have a tray where our experiment will take place. Next we need to take vinegar and now 4 to 5 spoons of baking soda. Another is a small empty bottle, red color, and lastly we have made a paper keep. Now let's get started. First of all, take an empty bottle and place it in the center of the tray. Now take some clay like this and cover this bottle just to make a volcano, as I'll be showing you in the video. Let's make a base first. And here our volcano is ready. And now take this keep and place it on the volcano. Now here I am taking 4 to 5 spoons of baking soda and gonna put with the help of this keep. So here we have added our baking soda. Now next let's take red color and pour into this volcano, as I am showing you here. You can also pour this red color with the help of this keep. It's completely up to you. So let's pour this red color. So here we have poured our red color. And now our last step. Here we are taking vinegar to add into this volcano. Are you ready? So 3, 2, 1 and go! Our volcanic eruption is gonna take place, and here it is. So students, in this experiment we learned how to make volcanic eruption with the help of baking soda and vinegar. Now, did you know students what that red is? That is lava, and lava is the very hot liquid rock that comes out of a volcano. And what is volcano? Volcano is a mountain from which hot melted rock, gas, steam and ash from inside the earth sometimes burst. Thank you. Try this experiment under your parents' vigilance. Bye-bye.